8 members, maybe 1 or 2 people join. We'll see. The first one is process management. Okay. There is a picture of process management is there. So I'm trying to find it, that picture. So like this, this is also, I cut it from the Linux textbook. This is the same, and this is also similarly. There is a picture. This is the picture. Just I will try to explain with the help of this picture. Okay, look at, guys. This is process. Like when you given a command. So for example, you given a command. So like a clear. You given a command. So what happened? This related command will search by your shell. Okay, it will try to execute that command, right? So what it will do? So it will try to execute that related command. Okay, so the related file with argument. So what it is? It's scheduled. So it is started when it is given a command. It called a fork. So it invoke the command. It invoke the process. The process is started when you given a basically a command or maybe schedule. So first of all, just understand in a single point way. Just you given a command, so process is started, and it is check it is runnable. Everything is given correct. Then it is running in your kernel. So first you are given a command in a shell, okay, and it is runnable in the shell, and then it given to the kernel, runs and exit. So once the process is completed a process, and it is exit. Example, I put a command date. So date is converted into kernel understandable language. Any arguments or options or anything given, check it, and finally, so it convert into kernel understandable, and then kernel execute the command. So kernel means kernel send the information to processor, RAM kind of stuff, and finally you got a executed, display, and done. That's it. That is done. For example, cat double greater 31234. Okay, so for example, I put this command. Now it is a still running process. It is a like a still running process type. Why? The process not yet completed, not yet exited. So this is the command I given. Completed, we got an output or no output, whatever it is. Then process is completed, but this process is not completed. For example, I'm canceling this process. I'm canceling this process. Control C. Process is cancelled. Now it is exit. Now it is exit. Or I want to. So this is enough. Okay. I put this is CF125 something. Control D. Completed. Task completed. So I put a command and I given information. Finally, Control D, save and exit type. Process is completed. Process is completed, exited. Okay, either you terminate yourself or complete the process, or it will be complete itself. So obviously, once process is completed, it will exit. For example, less space /etc pass wd. Okay, so I put a command. So now it is process is running. I'm checking the data from top to bottom, bottom to top, everything. Now it is completed. I'm putting Q for quit. Means task completed. So that is the sequence here. Process is started. run. So once it is run, completed, exit. Okay. Sometimes certain process, they will keep it in a sleep mode. Sometimes certain process required into a sleep mode. For example, network is connected. Network is connected. I am using a putty connection. So means active network connection is there. Network is connected, but no access, no network access is there. Just I'm using my PC directly. Network is connected, but no network requirement, no pinging, no SSH, no remote access, no internet means. I am not using any internet. No Google.com, no Facebook.com, not using anything. Just I'm creating users. I'm logging with users. I'm going with a local system only, disk management or maybe file management or encrypting files. I'm not using any network related services, either checking IP address or maybe changing IP address or maybe communicating to next host. Nothing I'm doing. It means network process is there, but not in an active process. Now it is active process. Why? Because of I connected with a SSH. So remotely I connected, so network is active process. But network is not active process, but still process is running. There's two things are there. Okay, so it is in that condition, it put our process into sleep mode, not exit mode. Okay, so what happened? A event is occur. Suddenly I start pinging. Suddenly I put a ping to hyphen C2 190 dot 172.16.0.101. That is my physical machine. Suddenly I given a ping command, for example. Immediately network related process become active. Network related process become okay. Sometimes certain process you can put it in a stopped mode. You can stop the process. You can stop the process. And we can resume the process afterwards. For example, same command. I type something, Control Z. I stopped the process. The process is there, but it is stopped, not completed. It is a stopped process. Process is there. It is a stopped process. By using Control Z, I stop this process. Process is not completed. I just stopped it. Not completed. Not completed. Okay, so we'll see that one later. Okay, start a process. You can resume this process if you want. You can resume this process also. Okay, this is a job process. I'm resuming it. EFG %1 is a stop process. Now it is see. So this is stopped and resume process. Control D. Now it is finished. Now it is finished. Understand? This is running this process. Running this process. You can see is it working or not? You can see. Look at here. See. So I typed something and I stopped here and I resumed and I put a one line like this. This is the file. So I stop this process by pressing Ctrl Z like that. You can process can be stopped by different reasons, or it can be stopped manually or by automatically it will be stopped like suspended. And you can resume the process if it is required. Based on the requirement, you can resume the process. For example, very big process is required to run, but there is a lot of pending processes there. What to do? So we stop the current process. Let it finish all the previous process completed. Then we will resume the current process like that. Okay. Sometimes it required a confirmation kind of stuff, or maybe required to postpone this process kind of stuff. It will be there. Certain times, yes. Like I put a command, something command. So it required a user confirmation. Sometimes user confirmation is also required to do the next process. Like we done a SSH keygen. Without giving user input, it won't complete the process. Compulsory user has to give a password or maybe locations or maybe just default options. Okay, the process will wait for user confirmation or a user call. So once user given an input, then process will continue. Once process completed, it will exit. So this is about your process management. Different states of process management is there: running, zombie, leap, exit, sleep. Okay, stopped, and in a stopped also different type of stops also. Stop sleeping kind of stuff. So this is basically an introduction to process management. Okay. To check the process, we use a command called a ps and a top. Top is so live process monitoring. Live process. What process is going on? Lively, you can able to see is a top process. It's a PS. So PS is like a man PS. You can put it. So you'll get it. Report a snapshot of current process. It means when you put a PS command, that time when you put a PS command, that time what are the process is running, including PS command, it will give you the report, not a afterwards. So I given a PS command, just simple. When I given a PS command, that time what are the processes running, it will shows. Of course, it shows like this only, but I need a man PS for a few options. These are the options. Okay. Up to here, there's so many are there in a PS. Okay, examples to use the PS is to see every process on system using standard syntax is PS space -e or EF or E capital F E ly. To see the process, every process on system using BSD syntax AX AUX. Okay, print the process tree kind of stuff. This is the command. Important is this thing. These things are very important. So compulsory know what is the difference between one to another one. There is a lot of ways to see the kind of stuff, but still it is their requirement. The third one is also I will tell, which is very important here. It is about this one. Get security info kind of stuff. This is the customized one. So I will show you that customized one. This is user base. Okay, this is user defined. User defined. Okay, out of all, I will show you only few things, guys. PS space -e, PS space -ef, PS space -aux, PS space -evo, PID, process ID, nice value. Okay, so if you want user also, you can put a user comma PID, process ID, nice value, command. Okay, if you can add anything extra also, you can add it. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to show you one by one. Look at here, guys. To do this practical, okay, complete practical. Mine is a better one is GI mod. Look at here, because I want to show you both killing process also, because when you are checking a process, also should learn killing process. Okay, look at here. For understanding, I'm using GI mod. Normal mode also okay. Okay. So this is, I went to new tab. So this is one tab. This is another tab. So I put a gedit ampersand. Okay. This is called your gedit is open. Okay. Gedit is open in a background. Now I want to check it. ps space -e. Okay. Look at, this is enter. Your list will be shows like this. ps space -e. Process ID, TTY, time, and CMD. Every process having a process ID. Remember that is. Every process has PID. Meaning is process ID. Okay. Okay. A process may has multiple child process. Multiple child process. Next. A process may has parent process. So parent. So automatically so simply say a process must have PID and may have or may has, whatever it is you can use, may have ppid, means parent process ID. Okay, like this. Every process, remember, every processor, a unique process ID is there. Unique process ID is there. Always look at the process ID of a process. This is process ID. So in ps space -e, what you are getting? You are getting only on which TTY process is running. Process ID, TTY, time, and CMD is getting. Okay, and this is my process ID. This is my process ID of gedit process ID. Guys, for practice, for every time I will tell how to kill the process. Okay, killing process. To kill the process, we need a process ID. That's it. Kill, give the process ID. Okay, so I open a gedit. I open a gedit. The gedit process ID is 6329. So kill 6329. It is got terminated. So you can't see the gedit now. Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
So when I put a yes space -e, okay. So I got this output like a if you copy this entire thing, entire page will be occupied. But no problem. So I just put it and I will remove it again. Just for understanding. When I put a -e, it is showing like this. Process ID, TTY, CMD. Okay. So I am removing middle part. And that too most of the things. These are not a terminal process. These are all normal process only. Just for understanding only, I'm removing all these things. This is my gedit. So this is the gedit, and what I given a command, kill that process ID. Of course, there is a different way of kill options also there, but at present, look at that part. So it's look a little bit smaller, right? Of course, you can remove all these things. You don't record. First important is this one only. So I open. So here it is. I open the edit. Okay, then at check rate. I open like this. Gedit ampersand. Then I tried this one. So we'll try again, no problem. Again with a different way. So again gedit. So again gedit is open. Now I will put a command like this. ps space -ef. ps space -ef. It will giving some big output. It shows all type of things, including users also. You can see user ID, process ID, parent process ID, something CS time, TTY, okay, time and CMD. Okay, so this is the output of this part. Of course, we require to kill the processes. Gedit, we have to find their process ID kind of stuff. It is look neat to see from here. You can see process ID and parent process ID, which user is running. Which user is running. See, it is different user names should be shown. Not showing because we are not running any special thing there. For example, I put a something here like a cat double greater pf123 or anything. Now process is running. Now I'm going to here put the command. See, it is cat is running by student plus. That is, this command is running by student plus. Like that also you can able to add it. Okay, like this. So user ID and process ID and ppid means parent process ID. Look at guys, 00 process ID, parent process ID. So we don't have any 0 process IDs. See, look. Process ID is 2. Parent is 2. Means this particular process running on this process. Okay, running on sorry. These processes where you see the parent process is 2. These are all process run child process of this particular process. Child particular process. Next, you can see 111. These 3 process are a child process of this particular process. Similarly, you can see 575. This is the parent process. This is the child process. This is the parent process. This is the child. See it is. This is the best example to see. This process, parent process is our starting process. This process, right? So that is the first one is your parent process. This is the process. Means it is a child process. Under this one, this is the child process. Under this one, this is the child process. Okay, like that. 460, 448. This is the parent process of this process. This is parent process. This is child process. You can easily understand. We can see, look at here. This is network management, parent process, DHCP client, child process. Under network process, child process is there now. Okay, so this is the parent, this is child. Guys, understand parent and child process? Lot of things are there. Just for understanding which one is I explained. And just for space purpose only and understanding purpose only. I removed a lot, but this is I think enough. Now, what is my process ID? I want to kill this cat process. How to kill process ID 6492. Still process is running. You can see still process is running. I didn't done anything. Okay, I want to kill the process. Take the kill button. Kill process ID. Okay, process is killed or not. You can check it from here. Not showing any cat kind of stuff, but you can look at here. Terminated. So because anyway it is root, I killed that process. It's a killing process. Okay. Of course, I'm going to show you one more thing, that is AUX. PS space AUX. This is a very big outcome. You will get it. So like this. Yes, AUX. Of course, I terminated cat command which is run by student. I terminated that one, but I didn't terminated the my gedit one. So okay, user process ID, how much percentage of CPU consumed by particular process, how much memory utilization, their statistics, everything is showing here. Just for highlighting what we are getting from AUX: user, process ID, CPU, memory utilization, and statistics and other things. Okay, this is AUX. So in the process, guys, customized process I want. I don't want whatever it is displaying. Look at here. It is displaying user, process, CPU, memory, stat6 and all. And there is no nice value. Here it is process ID showing. Okay. So like that. Here it is a process ID and then a CMD. But I want a customized one. I want a customized one. So one of the thing is like this. You have to give customized one. Okay. So what is the customized? PS-EVO. I want a process ID. If you want a user, process ID. Nice value means priority. Nice value means priority. Okay, and command. So only I want these things. So we'll try again. PS-EVO user, process ID, nice value, and CMD. So only that data only we are getting. So look at here. Only we are getting that part of data only. User, process ID, nice value, and CMD. Not required everything. Okay, so one question is there after next part, means when I go to the next line of command, I'll ask a question, so be ready. See, nice value. What is a nice value? It is a kind of priority kind of stuff. It's a kind of priority related one. If you want parent process ID kind of stuff also, you can able to do it. Okay, so I want to remove all the things. Only thing is to show you we are customized things. We are customized related things. So look at here, it is different numbers are there, no? -20, -4, 19. This is a nice value. Okay, process ID, user, CMD. So this is okay, guys. There is a question will come up. When I put this command or any of this command or this command, I'm getting huge amount of information. I don't want like that. I want only a particular type of information. I want to see where is this gedit is located. I want only this line, or I want only this particular line. I want only particular line only required. How to filter or get only single line from our output or a file. I'll put a keyword. If keyword is matches, display the line, matched line. How to get it? Which command? In a file like cat space /etc/pass/wd. I want where is this 103 located? What are the lines contains 103? So which command I have to put it? Which lines having 103? Morning only I done that one. Direct question. So in this file, I want to see the line contains 103. Line contains 103.
By just putting particular user ID?
I want to see the lines contains 1003. Sorry, 1003. In this file, I want to see only the lines contains. I want to see the only lines which contains 1003. Morning I done with 1004. Tell me. It's a very, very important command. Morning only I showed. Come on, guys. Morning only. Not yesterday also. I remember. Morning we checked which group the user is belongs to it. In that particular group, what are the users are there? Like group wise, we checked it. Similarly, I want to check it for a 1003. What is this? Tell me now. How to put the command?
grep1003 /etc/pass.
Okay. So the particular line, the keyboard matches display those lines. That is called a grep command. So of course, different options also available. So we can, this is grep command. The point is, I am getting several lines. So this is the for a file. I am getting so many lines for this command. I want to see the line contains grep. I want to see the line contains in gedit only. So it's generating output out of, in the output several lines are there. In output several lines are there. Out of all the lines, I want only the line which contains gedit. Gedit. So how to put it? First command output is input to the second command. For that one, what to do?
Pipe grep.
First of all, pipe. Next is grep. Okay, so I want gedit. I want a gedit. But we should give a file, right? Not required. We are giving input from the first command output. Like this. See it is. You don't need to see entire output. Very simple. Just use the grep. So remember this. Better to use like this so you can easily find it. So this is it. Now the question is, how to kill gedit process. How to kill gedit process. Command is kill process ID. Tell me what is process ID for gedit. 6444. Now it is terminated and also it is got closed. Guys, for you, I'm opening Firefox. Okay. So it will be open, take time. So that is also will kill it. It is opening. Okay, so look at here. This is our Firefox. Two tabs are open. We'll see what is will happen with this one. Firefox. Grab Firefox. Okay, there's so many Firefox are open. See, here it is. Because background process and all. See, this is one Firefox, another Firefox. No problem. We'll kill both the things. This is and this is also will kill it. Try to kill one by one. So first Firefox 6795. Kill 6795. That is gone. See it is gone automatically. So you can see where is the Firefox on the screen is closed. So that is a killing command. That is a killing command. Also try for a Firefox also. Open Firefox, find out where it is located. Okay. Can do it. So in Linux, Firefox is the default one. Okay, guys, this is your killing. Yeah, tell me. Only noise, voice. Guys, this is the one part of killing process. So first of all, in a killing process, okay, in a killing process, first of all, find process ID. Next, put the command kill and the process ID. But here in a put a command kill -l, kill space -l. So look at here, I'm in a root only here. Kill -space l. So these are the kill signals. These are all kill signals. Totally 64 kill signals are there. But out of all, I don't require most of the things. Okay, so these are the kill signals. So first one is sig kill, sig hop. Second is sig kill. 15th one is, sorry, first one sig hop, sig kill 9, 15 sig term. Okay. So 20th one is sig stop. Okay, this are enough. So if you want, you can try other things also. 1, 9, 15, 19. Okay, by default 15. So for example, you kill your process ID. By default, it is kill minus 15. Process ID. Both are same. Meaning it is terminate process. Kill -9 and process ID. It means kill process. The original kill process. So look at here. Okay, I'm opening Firefox. Different ways you can open. Like this also you can open. So it is open. Now what I'm doing is that is a process ID, but still I'll search my process ID from here. Okay, so this is my process IDs. Two are there. One is 7316. Kill -9 7316. Okay, it is got killed. You can see got killed. Same thing. Same thing. It got freezed. No problem. No problem. So this is the process ID 7530. Kill -15. Okay. Screen is smaller. 7530. Kill -15. 7530. This got terminated. This got terminated. Again, I will open Firefox. Now Firefox is open. It's a process ID. Okay, so this is the process ID is 7914. 7914. 7914. Kill 7914. Okay, it is also terminated. Meaning is if you use 15 or you don't use it, by default it is a terminate the process. This is to kill the process. This is for stop the process. You want to see the stopping process also you can able to do it. I will take easy one, gedit ampersand. Now it is a thing. Okay, I'm writing something here. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Now kill -20 81 42. Okay, process ID. Process is stopped. Look at process is stopped. So can I edit anything? I can't do it. I can't save it. I can't edit. So text edit is not responding. Just wait. Can't able to do anything. Now what I'm going to do is kill -1 81 42. Now it is running. Why it is? Sig hopper. One only, right? Can able to edit now. Why it is not responding? gedit. So this is the process. Want to see, check the status of the process. Okay, nice value, status of the process. So terminated kind of stuff, it is showing TL instead of ST, it is showing like that. This is one, correct only I given. Otherwise kill it. Better is killing. Process is got killed. I open Firefox. Kill -20. 80 to 41. Process is stopped. See, I can't able to open another tab also. -1. Still not working. That is better. So leave it. So what it is to stop the process and relieve the process. That's it for a on process. Stop command is there. That is we can see later. Guys, understand how to check the process, how to check the process ID, how to kill the process.
Yes, sir.
So we'll next we'll see what is nice value, what is renicing, okay, and of course job related also we'll see. Both I will tell in a one shot only, or at least separate or top also will put it here. Top is nothing. Okay, so take a break, have a tea or coffee.